To hang string lights from your ceiling, decide what sort of pattern you want for your lights. For example, you could hang them in a zigzag pattern or create a simple border around the edges of the ceiling. Take some self-adhesive hooks and attach them to your ceiling in the desired pattern. For instance, if you're making a border, space the hooks about 2 feet, 6.1 centimeters apart all around the edges of your ceiling. Hang the plug end of the string of lights on a hook right above an outlet. Make sure the plug can reach the outlet. Coil the string of lights around the first hook to secure it. Then, hang it over each of the other hooks until you've hung up the entire string. Coil the other end of the string around the final hook to keep it from falling down.